tonight.
Ty Keck, this is your moment of truth. Hello, Ty. How are you, sir? Have a seat, relax, as best you can. How are you feeling?
A little nervous, but I'm ready to win some money.
Well, good. I'm ready to help you. Are you going to be able to tell the truth in front of all of America tonight?
That's my goal, man.
There are 6 levels of questions. The further you go, the harder the question you get, but the more money you can win. You know you can quit at any time and take the money, but once you hear a question, you have to answer that question. If you're caught lying, Ty, you lose everything and the game is over. Ty, you're not only here telling the truth in front of all of America, you're also here telling it in front of your family and friends. So let's take a moment to see who's come here tonight to hear you tell the truth.
I'm Katya, Ty's wife. I'm April, Ty's friend.
I'm Martez, Ty's friend.
Welcome to all 3 of you. Only 21 questions separate Ty Keck from $500,000, but the road through those questions can get very personal. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's get to it. Okay, sir. Level 1 has 6 questions. Answer all 6 truthfully, you win $10,000. Just want to remind you, if you are ever concerned about the answers you gave on your polygraph exam, you can change them tonight. Before we get started, we're going to learn a little bit about my good friend Ty. You're a personal trainer?
Yes.
Take your job pretty seriously?
Very seriously, yeah.
Nadam ko na in kadam lau te rian an fil tu nami na customer polka na hang bal hama.
Really weren't.
Yes.
Bal kon ha.
That answer is true.
Apakat na biahalnak su nali ko sang I atang mi panga biahalnak panga atang ri I zong hi dikte in na kan li lai di ro chan nai.
You think?
Yeah.
Would you say he's in great shape?
He's in great shape.
Question 2.
Biahalnak
Have
pati
you
nak
ever admired yourself in the
ti na khol di tik an nang ma le nang ma thalang maya di ro in ka sa ba ka do bak te nang ma le nang ma na thang that bal mo.
Yeah.
Ka thang that bal ko.
That answer is true.
Hey. Pretty easy one. 2 truthful answers, 4 more, $10,000. I understand you grew up in a small town in Kansas, right? Yep. Are you a small town guy with small town values?
Pretty much see myself as that, you know.
Yeah. Question 3.
Biahalnak
You hit
pathum
someone
na
else's car and not
midang moto kha na khondil sul tik a zai met ang hanlo bantuk te in I tarin na jam tak bal mo.
Yes, I
na jam tak bal ko.
That answer is true.
Biahalnak pathum chu nali kho di chang I atu atang mi pathum nali kho si tun
$10,000.
dollar
What card did you hit?
sangkhat.
Well, there's probably been more than one, but
Get back to you in a second. Let's go talk to family and friends for a moment. Katya, you're excited about today?
Very excited.
Not nervous at all?
Yes, I'm nervous. I don't know the answer, so I want to know.
You do have some control. If I ask you,
Bia ka halmi biahalnak kha lek sa che tin du si tun ki na mi lai I tun kha biahalnak kha kan lan tak lai I ama belti hi mi hi vi khat long long mi na no na ngai
only use it once.
kha
All
Khởi có tên.
okay.
Khả trả tốc.
I have no idea if that's going to be better or worse. Okay? Well, then let's continue, shall we? You've got 3 right. Ty, you're on your way to $10,000. We talked a little bit about you playing football. You were a professional football player. So I assume you obviously played college football. Where did you play?
I played at the University of Cincinnati.
Bearcat. Yeah, great school.
Biahalnak palina college na kai leo a bolong a thui mi menung na siruang a na chatang takai bal mo Itak pe chim
Actually,
chun
no.
kai bel lo.
That answer is true.
Had to work for everything.
4 truthful answers, 2 more, $10,000. So, what was your GPA when you graduated?
Well, since I'm not on the lie detector test, 4.0.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Are you and your buddies pretty close?
I think so, yeah.
Biahalnak panganak. Na hoy lilak ay do big kasidya nai rut bel mo. Oh, correct.
Yes.
That answer is true.
That's 5 truthful answers, 1 more, $10,000. You really think you're better looking than Martez?
I mean, he's got a great smile.
Consolation prize.
Yeah, what's that? All right. What do you miss most about playing football?
The friendship, team spirit, camaraderie, all that stuff.
Atua dollar sangkhat khona beng chan na ngai chang na in atua tang mi biahalnak hi kamena halloween bi khual pakhat kan au mi umni amani tin an han nai.
Ladies and gentlemen, Roger Keith. All right, nice to have you on the program. Rodney, I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to be here.
My pleasure, to help out a fellow football player. Are you kidding me?
That's right, and I know you have a good question because we don't give away $10,000 easily. So
That's right.
It's all yours.
All right, here we go.
Biahalnak paruknak bolong achui mi pakhat na sit bantuk in na chui ti hoi an ikhot lewa na big bal hama.
While taking a shower.
Yes.
Or she
That answer is true.
Thank you very much for being
You
here.
got it.
Well, that's a thrill. Nice having Rodney B here, but we didn't forget your answer.
I figured that was
$10,000. Just had to take a look, didn't you?
We got to see who we're going to make fun of.
I guess you never know if you're the best looking guy of all your friends unless you check them out in the shower. So. Good news is, we've asked you some questions that are a little bit...
tang mi biahalnak na hi tlompal ti an har dok chang lai cha na du chun atu dollar sangkhat hi nai lak lai hi ma hoi le hi leng nam sa na du bok ni do na achana in na du si chun na pe zu khori hi na sung si sual chun atik lo mi chim su si chun na ngai ke mi phai sa zong na sung bi lai chana in na atik mi den chim a chi chun dollar sang hi le thonga na hi lai ka to la ma.
Remember, the questions will get more personal. So, on Katya and your friends, what do you want to do? You going to take the 10 grand or we're going to go for 25?
Go. Here we go.
Keep going.
I didn't come here to win $10,000.
Yep.
Let's keep going.
Keep going, keep going. All right. We're going to make it $25,000. We'll have you join us after this break to find out. We'll be right back.
The moment of truth continues.
Welcome back to the Moment of Truth. Former professional football player, personal trainer, and Thai Keck is here, and he has $10,000 written. You know, I can't think of an easier game. You tell the truth, you win
atu
money.
bin halding mi I atang mi biahalnak nei tlompal ten har do lai I nangma na sining te tak zong kha avin khel hai do lai cha I tlompal I bitak kha chin ko do sun phaisa kha mu ko na du tik tam po wa nangol kho I na hu te mi phaisa kho
Speaking of your beautiful wife, Katya, does she work out?
Yeah, she works out.
Question 7.
biahalnak pacharina nanupi khacha hi apum aporong flabby asi dawsul asi achun liposuction mangding in thazang na pilai mo
Yes.
That answer is true.
That's 7 true. You need 4 more to get to $25,000. Katya, anything you want to say?
Yeah, I thought you'd say no.
How well does your wife get along with your friends?
Depends on the situation, but usually it's pretty good.
Question 8.
biahalnak pariatnak mahoi le pakhat khat ni kanupi khacha hi unhelpful I an tu thampa lai te zublo nak ngai tan a umbal mo
Yes.
That answer is true.
That's your 8 truthful answer. 3 more. 25,000.
The key word was suspect.
Right. So what do you like to do for fun?
Like go to the beach, go to sporting events, hang out.
biahalnak pona avai khatnak namhu mi menong pakhat he nan I hu ton niya nupasina nan to balmo
Yes.
That answer is true.
Not clapping.
Anything you'd like to tell us about that?
Just sweep that under the rug.
All right, you don't have to answer that. You have 9 truthful answers, 2 more, $25,000. But remember, as soon as I begin the next question, you risk your $10,000 every time. If you want to stop, you have to tell me to stop before I start reading the question. Remember, the button is still in play if there's something you don't want to hear. Are you trustworthy?
I think so.
You want me to go to the next question?
I didn't come to win $10,000.
Question 10.
biahalnak prana khacha ni ansum kholo na ting tiang in thil chul pakhat khat na tu mi a ummo
Yes.
That answer is
Wanna know what?
true.
That's 10. One more, $25,000. Ty, that is a tough question. Do you have any suspicions what it might be?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. Anything you want to say?
I think I'm digging myself a bigger hole.
You're
so,
digging a bigger
yeah.
hole. Well, let me just let you know this. You have 10 truthful answers. You have $10,000. One more question, $25,000, but at what cost? Question 10 was tough. It's nothing you even want to talk about. I'm looking at question 11 here. Might be very easy for you. It also could be much more difficult than 10. I've asked you some tough questions, but you have answered truthfully, and that's really all you have to do to win money. How much money you're going to win, Ty? We'll have to find out that after this. We'll be right back.
The moment of truth continues.
We're back with the moment of truth. Ty Keck, former pro football player. How you feeling, like? I'm ready to get to the next question. I know that. You are?
Yeah.
Okay. This is your $25,000 moment of truth.
biahalnak hekna nupi nuchi ti tang hu a
Since you've been married,
internet hang
have
in
you used the internet to
nunga
flirt with other
makol bel
women?
no
I don't, but I would.
No.
That answer is true.
biahalnak senti in nali patra tu dolar sang tu le thong zong
Good for you, Ty. You now have $25,000. Here's a question that when I read it, can be a very scary question.
Just got to speak the truth.
Katya, you must be relieved.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Here's where you are. You only have to
Bi
answer
uding
4
si
more
chun tu
questions.
chu
truthfully.
biahalnak
Get
pali
4
nali lai
questions, 4
chu
times
biahalnak
money,
pali ni chun
$100,000.
an let li in
What do you
phaisan
wanna
hu
do?
jamika an hu tor chin lai e tu biahalnak pali nali khodi si chun dolar sing khat na ai
I've revealed too much right now to stop, so I got.
Oh, you've revealed too much to stop. That's an interesting logic. Others might say, I've revealed too much, I should stop. But if you're comfortable, I'm comfortable. Katya, are you comfortable?
No.
You're not. You want to tell him to leave? You can tell him.
No.
No.
I want to keep going. Keep
So you'd be more comfortable with $100,000.
I'm curious.
You're curious.
Yeah.
She has other reasons for you to
Other
continue.
motives, yeah.
Okay, we're going to continue that. So I see now you've been married, you said 2.5 years. Really, you two are just starting your lives out together. Where do you want to be in 5 years, Ty?
5 years. You know, I'd like to have a couple kids, nice, good job, and a nice home.
Is this news to you?
I don't know about the kids, but.
biahalnak hekna atu kono pi hi zong zal cha ding kono pi achalai ti nasum thang lo cha amo naw ngai lo in nan na si
Should I press?
No.
You should be married to forever.
I need your answer.
The answer is yes.
That answer is
I'm dying. Is it worth $100,000 to hear this?
true.
That's 12 truthful answers. 3 more, $100,000. But at what cost, Ty? Katya, that can't be great to hear. April, what did you say to Katya?
I asked her if hearing this is worth $100,000.
What's the answer, Katya? You know, you can stop now. We don't have to reveal anything more, and you have $25,000.
I know. Yeah.
Is it
Keep
worth
going.
it?
I want to know. Yeah.
You've answered 12 truthfully. You've revealed some somewhat shocking revelations, and it is getting tense. I want you to think about what you would like to do, and I want you to tell me, are we going to play for $100,000, or are we going to say goodbye to you for $25,000? We'll find out We return. Welcome back to the Moment of Truth. I'm here with Ty Keck and his beautiful wife Katya, and April and Martez are here as well. And you are at a very interesting place. You have 12 truthful. Question 13 is next. Shall we continue?
Let's go.
Okay. People who want personal trainers really want results. They're paying a lot of money. So you give your clients a real workout?
Yeah, I give them as much as they can take.
biahalnak hai thumna pum piak tu pakhat na si bantuk in na sin ni ton na arak ngai mi nunga po kha alayang luan tok dok in a her lo piang in na tong tham ha chan a mo
No.
That answer is
Like, huh?
na bilingin na
false.
Ty,
ท้ายลงสถาบักโลนานนบิลีนักค่ะอีอติโลในรวงอะไรฮิบลีนักเหอติโลนะรวงชิงอาใจกินแต่รวงนักสิ
Well, you know, it's one of those things that
มีบุคคล
when
ที่
you're training people, yeah,
ปุ่มตักสัก
you
สิ่ง
gotta
กัน
physically
ต้อง
touch them.
ทำปะแล้วว่าทิ้งงานลง
Required, you know.
You know, Ty, I think you're probably a great personal trainer. You have a great sense of humor, very forthright. I wish you and your beautiful wife the best. Unfortunately, Ty, the $25,000 you had is gone. Ty, thank you very much, Katya. Thank you, Martez. April, you go hang out with your friends and your beautiful wife. Ty Keck is a brave guy. I thought he was going to make it all the way to the top, but question 13 got him, so we say goodbye to Ty Keck. We're ready for a new participant. Let's meet them now.